Today's the last day for working on church. It's Friday, so got all the mudding has to be sanded down so that we can put the final coat on. So we've got all the bathroom to sand, all of the closet needs sanded, and then all of the bedroom needs sanded. So after today, it will be needs to be painted. So, and then we got to figure out a trim for that window, but we'll paint it first. But yeah, it's coming right along. The kitchen is basically done. It's just we need to have countertops and window seals need made, but that's what Dad's doing right now. Figuring up dimensions for the window seals and the covers, but we're going to try and use this wood, that old stuff we tore down, so we can use that for the trim and the window seals. So window seats, sorry, but it's coming right along. let's try this perfectly cut piece, right?
How does it go, Steve?
I'm glad we cut the right side of it.
Goes like this?
The sticky side, yeah. Might have to move that cardboard. How about that? Looks pretty good.
Is that stuff on top there?
Yeah, so it needs to go up.
I don't know what it's doing down there.
Yeah, it needs to go on top of it.
It's on top of that right there.
Yes, it is. That's pretty good.
You can use those on it.
Oh, for short stuff, yeah. But I don't know where the studs are. Well, you can look at the other side, can't you? Find out where they are.
It's right here.
Is it that one or this one?
No, it's this one.
So,
You can see it right here.
no, that's just. It's over.
It's like. When you find at each end of it, I think.
I'm gonna put one on the top. It's gonna be definitely bored there.
Wow. Recipe, half-inch stuff.
Hmm. Motors.
We're gonna do the same thing on the other side.
Yeah. Go see how many we got.
How many's it gonna take there?
Well, how long are these things? 5 foot?
Yeah, 5 by 3.
$57 7/8.
So that's shorter than 5 foot.
Yeah. So we can.
You only got 2 quarter inch. We have to finish it all
Half inch.
because you got 5 of them. This took 1, 2.
Well, what if we did?
I think you got enough now.
So 50, 60. So that's 60.
I'm gonna set one right in there.
We did 1/2 inch on this side. Or 1/4 inch, I mean. Turns.
I only got 2.
Well, the week is done. We got a lot accomplished this week. And appreciate it, everyone that came out and helped. I ran out of concrete board. So, concrete board all on the floor, concrete board in the shower. And we finished that little piece there, but I'm gonna get some more of that. And then all the drywalling, just this needs lightly sanded and put a little finish on it to cover up cracks or anything. But the closet's done, bedroom's done, it's all finished. So it's ready for paint, and I just had my mom pick up a whole 5-gallon bucket of paint and primer so we can paint everything white. So it'll be ceiling, walls for all the primer, and it'll be done with the ceiling because it's going to stay white. Then we got the electrical figured out. This one was, you turn this one on, and you turn it off over there and on, but when you turn it off over here, it wouldn't work over there, but Tim came out and fixed it. So that switch needs off. And then nothing out here. Paige did rip up. She got this carpet ripped up right there all the way over yesterday. She did a good job with that. Then we got all the light switches figured out in here. All of these are all of the cabinets, everything. I'm going to order a door. He sent me a quotes on that, so I'm going to get that ordered. Then it's just buy some appliances. So it's going to be pretty soon to moving in. Well, I'd ask for prayer for our house selling so we can sell it and really move in. So really depending on the house to sell so we can get things paid off so we don't have to worry about making payments anymore. So, well, I appreciate everyone watching, and we'll see you next time.